They say after midnight, the Ashwood Library exhales a cold breath that chills the very marrow of your bones. Hidden deep within its forgotten archives rests an ancient, dust-caked typewriter, a relic from a vanished era, its black keys worn and gleaming faintly under the flicker of failing lights. Legend whispers it was donated by an unknown author in 1932, a man who vanished without a trace soon after. When the clock strikes 12, librarians speak in hushed tones of faint metallic tapping, keys moving on their own, and the soft rustle of unseen pages turning. Some say the typewriter hungers for stories, luring those who linger alone after hours to sit and write. But every tale it produces is a dark prophecy, a tragedy foretelling the writer's own doom. One clerk, drawn by a sudden icy draft, discovered a freshly typed page that mirrored her deepest, most paralyzing fear. By dawn, she had quit, her eyes hollow and haunted. No one dares touch it now, yet new sheets appear from time to time, always ending with a name. No matter how tightly they lock the archive, the tapping returns, echoing through the shadows. To this day, the cursed typewriter waits silently, its keys eager for another tale to claim. Please like and subscribe for more dark lore content.